Take a ride in the 2026 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, sunroof package, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.